चक्रवात रेमल से पश्चिम बंगाल में भारी बारिश, दीवार गिरने से 2 की मौत। चक्रवाती तूफान रेमल ने बांग्लादेश से लेकर पश्चिम बंगाल तक कहर बरपाया हुआ है। रविवार रात को चक्रवात ने बंगाल और बांग्लादेश के तटीय इलाकों पर दस्तक दी। पश्चिम बंगाल के कई इलाकों में रात में आए भयंकर तूफान से कई पेड़ उखड़ गए हैं और मकान ध्वस्त हुए। कोलकाता में 2 लोगों की मौत दीवार गिरने से हो गई। कई इलाकों में भारी बारिश हो रही है और तेज हवाओं से बिजली आपूर्ति बाधित है।
The current information that we have from the IMD is that the severe cyclonic storm has now transformed into a cyclonic storm. The wind speed, which was earlier about 110 to 120 during landfall, now it has come down to 60 to 70 with gusting of 80. So that's a big relief. And it is expected that by evening today, this will further change into a deep depression.
Is there any information about loss of lives and damage of properties?
The information that we have from the SUOC through MHA is that one death has taken place in Kolkata due to wall collapse, and there have been uprooting of trees due to rains and heavy winds, and that the restoration work is under progress. NDRF teams are deployed, 14 teams are deployed in major affected areas in the state, and besides 6 SDRF teams are also deployed to assist. So the restoration work is in progress along with coordination with the state agencies.